Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. Today I am going over week 2 of February's meal plan, and we're going to see what we're going to decide to eat for the next week. And I will also bring you the grocery hauls and the meals when I can. I have my notebook that I keep my menu plans in. It's just a simple notebook. And I have written out the days and what we plan to have for the second week of February 2025. On Sunday, we'll have barbecue. Monday, we'll eat out. Tuesday through Friday is a little different. We have some lectures to attend. We're actually attending seminars or lectures by Barbara O'Neill. And if you know her or heard of her, she's an expert on nutrition, how the body works, and just a wealth of information. So we're really looking forward to that. So I will see how the meals work out, because actually the lectures are 2 lectures in the morning and 1 in the evening. So it's a really weird setup for me anyway. But pizza at home on Tuesday, Taco Tuesday on Wednesday, and what we like to say is don't tell the tacos it's not Tuesday. Thursday, leftovers. Friday, it's Valentine's Day. We do have a lecture. I haven't decided what to cook, but we will be home. And then Saturday, leftovers. And I need to decide on a Valentine meal and what we're going to have, as well as a dessert. So that's our menu plan or meal plan. And that meal plan is very loose just because we have those lectures to attend. I think they go from 10 a.m. till about 12:30 in the afternoon, and then from 6 to 7 in the evenings. Luckily, they're not far from home, which is such a blessing, because I really wanted to see her and had looked into maybe going to Georgia, because I saw that she was coming to Georgia. And then I just saw that she was coming to Florida. And then I realized she was coming to where we live. So she is actually speaking not far from my home. I mean, if I wanted to, I could walk. It may take me a long time, but I could walk there. So I'm so glad to be able to have this in my town. So our meals are going to be thrown off, and that's okay. And my dog is making noises. I did a quick grocery haul at Whole Foods: dandelion greens, cilantro, onions, a yam, some malanga, avocados, ginger, hiding, corn, yogurt, refried beans, and some cayenne pepper. And lots of shadows in this video. The Whole Foods grocery haul was $44.30. Today we stopped in at Costco and picked up some groceries. So we got bananas, mangoes, which look really good. I haven't had one in a while, and some celery. This Costco haul was $22.96. I also ordered some bread online. These were suggested by Barbara O'Neill at her health lectures. Is what she eats, so we thought we'd give it a try. They are gluten-free. I have a loaf of pumpernickel, a loaf of cinnamon raisin, a quinoa loaf, and let's see, this is sourdough. We're going to give these gluten-free breads a try. And the gluten-free breads were mail order. My Simply Needs order of bread was $36.74. The week has ended. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you how we did. I didn't have any meals to show you because it was a different week. And it seems like week after week, we're out a lot more than you would think. But that's part of the reason I haven't been cooking, and I'm going to show you on paper how we did. Sunday barbecue, we did that. Monday out, we did that. Tuesday through Friday were really odd because, like I said, we were attending the Barbara O'Neill lectures, and they were from 10:30 to 12:30 in the mornings, and then they actually went to about 1 o'clock. And we were there a lot earlier than 10:30 just to be able to get a good seat. And then in the evenings from 6 to 7, we got there. One day we got there at 4:30, and we got out of there around 7:30 or so every evening. They were excellent. And one thing that she says to do is to eat a good breakfast, have a hearty lunch. She doesn't use those words. And eat a light dinner. And We usually don't eat dinners late because we go to bed early, but we went ahead, and since we were getting out of the seminars late, we were having a late lunch. We were not having dinner, and on most of the days we had yogurt and fruit for dinner. So pizza at home happened on Tuesday. Taco Tuesday did not happen on Wednesday, so no tacos were offended. Thursday, again, fruit. Friday was home, which was Valentine's Day. And what we did was the three of us had a nice lunch together when we got out of the seminar for Valentine's Day, and then we enjoyed some fruit and yogurt at dinner time. And Saturday, leftover. We also did the fruit and yogurt Saturday evening too. So it was a different week. Our spending was about the same as usual. We spent on groceries, we spent $104 even. And then on eating out, we spent $465.46. And there wasn't a lot in the grocery trips as you saw, or not much to show you, but it was a good week. So let's look at the totals for February. This brings us to a total of $569.46 for the second week of February. And when we add this up with the first week of February, we have a total of $111 in total groceries for the month and $897.89 in total eating out for the month, for a total spent on groceries and food for the month of February at $1,008.95. And there you have it. It is what it is. We'll continue to strive better for the following weeks, but that's what we did this week. And I am happy to show it to you because it motivates me to try to do better. Thanks for watching. I hope you consider subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.